Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Jung. I'm doing my digital unit plan. This is about linear function model, and here's my home page. My home page contains unit summary right here, and content standard target, subject area, Algebra 1, grade level from 8th to 10th grade, and this California content standard is for 8th grade to learn about basic expression and equation. 9th grade learn about analyzing and solve linear equation and pairs of simultaneous linear equation. And for 10th grade, solve linear equation in 1 and 2 variable. And in this unit summary, we will learn about graphic, algebraic, numeric, tabular, and verbal representation of linear relation function to solve problem. So the big ideas here is to solving linear equation, graphing and writing linear equation, and to learn linear function pattern. And I included here the digital unit plan mapped. So once you click on that, it will take you to the mapped of the key and the purpose of this digital unit plan. The essential questions is how does solving equation apply to the real world? I input right next to the question, linear equation in real life career. And I input two videos to show you how linear algebra are being used in the workforce, like architecture, computer science, engineer, and lots more. So please watch this video. It's really helpful. What is the best way to represent a function? What is a slope? How do I learn to write the equation of perpendicular and parallel lines? So all these questions will be the main part of learning in this objective. And student learning objective, to learn how to solve problem, um, use a formula, and algebra expression including interactive and recursive form to model and solve problem. Find a length and midpoint of segment to solve problem, use matrices to display it and interpret data, and lots more. Um, and then last, I input a button here for the student to watch a preview of this site so that they can learn all the important keys and where to find things on the site. So now we're going to go to assessment. The assessment page include the assessment map right here to show us the connection of the lesson with entry-level assessment, formative, and summative assessment. So I will start out with entry-level assessment with a brief lecture to gain basic understanding of general ideas and formulas. And once you watch this video, you can watch it again if you want to memorize the concept better. And once you feel comfortable, you can start with the next level, which is the progress monitoring level. And in this level, I want you to really capture the world of mathematics by learning the vocabulary of Algebra 1. I make it easy for students by providing a window linked with different study mode, and you can pick it from here. Chose a study mode, scatter, learn, test, flashcard, speller, spay race, and I pick scatter because I think it's really fun, and you can just pick the question with the answer and it will disappear. Just like this, it disappeared. And then, or you can just pick a regular flashcard and just flip through to learn. And then we will go to the next one to put yourself through the test. I want you to check this really quick basic linear equation and graph quiz to really find out if you really understand the concept of the videos and also the lectures. And then we have summative assessment, which is a very fun project, but you need to really understand the lesson in order to finish and correctly done this project. And this is the Animal Gone Wild equation project. This is a copy picture of lions with decorated in colors, and this is the original one, which include and label all the sloped. And then last is the line equation, categorized in positive, negative slope, and vertical and horizontal lines. And all of 3 page must be turned in with in the back, including the rubric page in the back right here. So that's a very important assignment for you to do. And here is lesson 1. Let's move on to lesson 1. Teacher lecture. The teacher lecture is the lecture 1 of linear equation. I'm using Prezi to provide a very precise and clear ways of the starting of my lectures. Here's the vocabulary, and then define the graph and the terms based on the pictures and then the equations. So this is a very great lecture to look at. And then the linear equation lecture 2, I have more example and more graphs here for student to learn. And here's also are the 2 guided notes that are very important to use while or after you really understand and comfortable with the concept. And then you can start working on the first one, which is the graphing linear equations, and then also the perpendiculars and parallel line worksheets. Then we will move on to lesson 2, which is the Webstercise. Webstercise is a very fun project. I think it's a online scavenger hunt, and every student would love to enjoy playing this game because it's like being a detective and find all the answer, and you navigate through the website to find out the answer and fill in the blank in this worksheet. And here's the PDF form, so just click on that, print it out, and start working on it. And then lesson 3 is the graphic organizer, and this assignment is a huge project and have the most points for your class, which is algebra linear equation, and the step must be demonstrate how to solve the function or the graph using a graphic organizer. And this assignment addressed the California content standard for 8th grade, 9th grade, and 10th grade. So your creativity will be needed to complete this algebra timeline. And I provide 3 pages of direction, and the last page has the scoring guide, and the total point is 50. I also include 2 sample of the student work. You can do as a presentation, or you can use a Word, Microsoft Office Word to present your step-by-step on how to solve the problem. And I also have a list of topic that you might interested in that part of the lesson for linear algebra 1. So that's for my lesson 3. And here is the unit resource. I have many useful math site here for students to take a look and learn. And all of these sites have problems that you can work on online so that you can really understand the many concepts of Algebra 1 linear functions. So interactive daily math, algebra made easy, purple math help, interactive algebra, math planet, virtual math lab. All of them are very important to really take a look at, because they can really help the student to gain a very fast learning pace. And I also have 4 videos explaining about linear algebra, and all of these speakers are doing a great job, like Khan Academy channel. bill with 10-mark channels are very important as well, and my OWL learning channel. So please take a look. And then I have last is my math class page, Miss Jung math class page. So this math class page will kind of have more information for students to take a look and to submit the assignment, class calendar, course questions, and just to know more about me, or interactive activity page, which is also great for students to um, really learn math or contact me. So I hope you really enjoy all of my works here that for you as a student, and I hope you have a really great semester. Thank you.